Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to take control of your computer security by leveraging the advanced features of Windows 11 Firewall. By blocking a program with Windows 11 Firewall, you can control its internet access, safeguard your data, and grant yourself peace of mind. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. To block an app from accessing the internet in Windows 11 using Windows Defender Firewall, do the following. Click the Start button, then type Windows Defender Firewall and click the top result in the Start menu. When the Windows Defender Firewall window opens, click Advanced Settings on the left, select Outbound Rules from the left panel, then on the right, click New Rule under Actions. For rule type, select Program, then click the Next button. To block a specific app, select this program path. Browse to the location of the app's executable file. After entering the app's path, click Next. Make sure Block the Connection is selected, then click the Next button. In the Profile section of the wizard, make sure all three options, Domain, Private, and Public, are selected and click the Next button. Type in a name for your firewall rule. A name for the rule is required, but a description is optional. When you're finished, click the Finish button. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.